Mail time, mail time, mail time. It's my first Boxycharm, guys. I'm a little excited. So I'm just going to show you what my desk looks like right now, because I just got a new camera, and so this is the first time I'm like recording with it. So if I'm not looking at the camera, I'm like looking over at the mirror, which I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm having to hold my mirror, or my camera, here. It's like on my set of books. And then that's the old mirrors. That's my mirror. And I'm having to stack 3 books on top of it so that I can see what the camera's seeing. So if I zoom you in, I can like see how zoomed in it is. So this is what I'm working with. So this is my first Boxycharm unboxing video. I'm just gonna like put the products on my face as the video goes. If I don't directly look at you and I'm like looking up like this, it's because I'm looking at that camera behind you. So this will be like the first time I do my makeup with a palette mirror. So we'll see how this goes. Yeah. So when you first open the box, you get this card that says Rock and Roll Soul. So this is, I guess, a rock theme. The back of it just has all the products on it, and it tells you how much it costs, and I'll tell you the total cost at the end of the video. But that's the first thing that you see. The first thing that I'm going to put on is this Dr. Brandt Pores No More Luminizing Primer. This is what it looks like. Its cost is $38. I'm actually kind of nervous about this because I've never used a luminizing primer, so this will be interesting. Oh, that's nice. Do I look luminous? That was kind of nice. I feel like I had to use more than I normally use for a primer, but it feels really tacky on the skin, and it kind of I kind of like the smell of it. I guess I'm kind of being redundant for using a luminizing primer when I'm going to use a matte foundation. This is the only foundation that I have that is like in my shade. So I'm just going to quickly put on, well, for you quickly, for me not so quick, put on foundation, concealer, and some other stuff. Okay, so the next thing that is in the box is this IT Cosmetics Brow Power brow pencil. It retails for $24, and it comes in universal taupe. If you have lighter hair, then you can just like lightly put it on, and if you have darker hair, if you put more pressure on the pencil, then you'll have like darker strokes show up, you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? I hope so. So I'm gonna put on my brows. I don't know how long this is gonna take. We're gonna see how this goes. Okay, so I kind of zoomed you in a little bit. Okay, so I put my brows on like as best as I could. It took quite a while. I like the product. I do like the brow pencil, but I'm just not like comfortable with it. I don't know exactly how to use it because I've never used it before. I've only used the Anastasia stuff. So I like it, but I just don't know how to properly utilize it yet, and I just kind of like slap my eyebrows on. I'm hanging out with my family today, and they don't care if I have subpar brows. So the next thing that I'm gonna do is the eyeshadow palette that came with it. This is called Glam Metals by Crown Pro. This is what the palette looks like. I'm really digging the guitar mirror, even though it's not very practical, it still looks really cool. But these are the shades. It comes with 7 shimmer shades and 1 matte shade, and the matte shade is the black metal up here. You know, I'm really digging this on so many levels. This looks really cool. I think I'm gonna do black metal kind of like all over my lid, like really, really lightly, and then go in with heavy metal right here, like on top of it. Something like that. That's what I'm kind of visualizing in my head. Maybe a little combination of this Rock On too, because I like this shade. So I'm going to use some of the shades from my Tarte Tartelette palette. The Glam Metals just doesn't have like a crease shade in it, and I like a matte crease shade anyway. And this is basically shimmer, so I'm just going to be using both of these. Let me zoom you in again. That's a really close Shelby. So I have switched, I flipped my mirrors. I couldn't see what I was doing, but now I can't really see what I'm filming, so I hope, man, I'm just, please let me be in frame. Please let me be in frame. So I'm just gonna hope that the lighting's kind of okay, and that my mirror's not covering too much of like my face, and that I don't lean over too much. We're just gonna, I don't know, I'm just putting a lot of faith into the world right now. Okay, so I took black metal and I put it all over the lid very, very, very lightly. Then I took heavy metal and I packed it on top of the black metal. And then I took Rock On, the green shade, and then put that on top of the light blue shade. That's where I'm at right now. So now I'm going to take a little bit of Rebel and put that in my crease area. I'm just curious. Figure why not. Okay, so now for the outer part, I'm going to take the Wicked right here. It's just like a real dark brown shade, and I'm just going to smoke my eyes out. Okay, so I'm just gonna like really, really power through the rest of this video because my camera died. So I did my hair, which is why it looks different. I finished my eyes because I didn't realize it died. So I'm just gonna kind of rush through the end because I don't know how much battery I have left. So you know what I put on my eyes, and then I went ahead and did my bottom lash line and things like that. And I did Rock On, Heavy Metal, a very teeny tiny bit of Rebel, and then some Glam Rock. So now for the inner corner, pop rock right here, and yeah, that'll be the inner corner. Okay, so Pure Scent Bronze and Brighten, and it is just a blush, highlight, and bronzer, and I'm super nervous about this bronze because I think it's going to be too dark for me, but I'm just going to try just a little bitty teeny tiny bit, so I'm going to do that right quick. I'm going to go in with the blush. And now for the highlight. And I'm also going to take the highlight and put it in my inner corner as well. And I put it on as my brow bone highlight. So quickly, the last thing that was in the box is this Grand Lips Color Lip Plumping Color. Looks like this. I don't really know how exactly to use it. So it's like this hot pink shade. Now I'm nervous. Okay, so that's it for this video. I've tried everything on that came in the box. So the lip was $27. The primer is $38. The bronze kit is $34. The Glam Metals is $25. And so the grand total was $148 that they sent. It's a $21 package, so definitely got your money's worth. That's a lot of cool products. I really did enjoy the eyeshadow palette, and I think I like the primer. The other stuff, I'm not crazy about this just because it's a hot pink, and I don't really wear hot pink a lot, but maybe in the springtime I'll use it more. Just right now, it's not really a color that I use a lot. And this, I'm a little intimidated by it, so I didn't use a whole lot. You just saw me like literally swipe it on my face. So I'm sorry this video towards the end got really rushed. I'm trying to get down to go see my family tonight, even though it's like in the middle of the day. It takes me like an hour to get there. So yeah, that's the end of this video. Hopefully my next filming with this camera will go better. That I won't have to stop in the middle and like wait for it to recharge and things like that. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video on Wednesday. Bye! Okay, so before I start filming, I was like pulling up my hair, and I just wanted to show y'all this like alfalfa little thing going on in my head. I've never seen the Little Rascals, but people talk, I like know what the alfalfa hair looks like, and yeah, I just thought that was kind of funny, and I would show it to you before I actually fixed my hair and started recording. First, Boxycharm Unboxing, and I'm gonna like put the products, piece of paper. The world does not want me to record today. We're at 13 minutes and I haven't put anything on. First blonde, then you can just like lightly stroke the brow. God, I hope this is working.